Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about sliding filament model, which is a very important topic, the most important topic in muscular contraction. Now usually the question comes for 5 to 6 marks. Now it can be a direct question asking about sliding filament model, or they can give you a scenario in which you have to apply the situation. Now for any of such questions, you have to know the process involved in sliding filament model. So the very first point is that the sarcoplasmic reticulum releases calcium ions, and these calcium ions are going to bind to troponin. Now troponin is one of the protein next to the actin filament. Now as soon as calcium ion binds to troponin, both troponin and tropomyosin, they change their position. As soon as they change their position, the binding site for myosin head is now available. As soon as that binding site is available, myosin head binds to that binding site and forms a cross bridge. Remember that this cross bridge is formed between actin and myosin filament. After that, the myosin head tilts or moves towards the M line, which is going to shorten the sarcomere. Now remember that muscular contraction is all about shortening the sarcomere. After that, to withdraw the myosin head hydrolyzes ATP, which releases some energy, and that energy is used to withdraw the myosin head from the actin binding site. You can also see it in this diagram over here, which here I have described it in steps by steps. The first step mentions how calcium binds to troponin and how troponin and tropomyosin are going to empty the binding site. Now as soon as it is going to bind, the myosin is going to bind to the actin filament, it is going to tilt. You can see the position of myosin head here and then here. So you can see that it tilts towards the M line, and that shortens the sarcomere. And later on, when ATP is being used up, it is going to detach itself, the head is going to detach itself from the binding site. Hope it clears the whole model. Thank you. Follow for more.